80% of the population in any given Sunday is not at church. That really broke my heart. And so it really became a question of, God, where do you want me to plant? And through a lot of prayer, it just kept coming back to Waseca is the place to plant. We really wanted it to connect with people in their real life, their everyday life. And we did that on purpose with this Real People, Real Jesus, Real Life motto that we have. We wanted it to be real. We want to be real people in that we take off these masks that we have to wear every single day, whether it's at our job or in our family and the roles that we have to play. That message about real people starting to be like Jesus in real life is so important to Waseca, because there's many people in Waseca that have an idea of what church is. It's that place where they go if they have a child that needs to be baptized. It's the place they go if they need to get married or bury someone. But they're not really seeing the real life connection to the person and the mission of Jesus Christ. In the short time that we've been running, we've gone from 8 people to over 70, to the fact that we've had to move from a space that was just too small for us into this new space that we're in now that we could easily double or triple our size and it still feel good. That's just a huge blessing that we've been able to be a part, and a joy. Just seeing how people are starting to connect with God again, and that church has become something more a part of their life than it is just this thing that they do to check off on Sunday or Christmas and Easter to feel good about themselves. Church planting is definitely not easy. They told us that in the training. I didn't believe them. I thought, you know, I've been through some tough stuff before, and I can do this, but yet it truly has broken me down to where I really have to just depend on God fully. We've been resourced in just an overwhelming way through the Evangelical Covenant Church, the Northwest Conference, Vista Evangelical, our district, and just looking at the broad scope, just the training opportunities, the ministerial conferences, the midwinter conferences, things like that, the assessment center for church planning, all of those things on the grand scale have helped to prepare and resource us. And then through our district, we have churches that in our district, like Crossview Covenant Church in North Mankato, that they just did a special offering and sent us a lot of money. Plus, they've resourcing with people from their worship team that will come and help us out from time to time. Trimont Covenant Church has been praying for us and resourcing us financially as well. And all of the district, as I get together with those district pastors, have just been lifting us up in prayer and wanting to know how they can help us. Our parent church, Vista, they have been every essence of the word of being a parent. We're their little child, and they've been focused on us and how we can be most successful. I know that I have a place to go with the Northwest Conference. Not only do they resource you, but they take care of you. They treat you well. I can call up Mike Brown and he'll pray with me and for me and hear of the struggles that I'm going through. Those are invaluable things with this process. I could not do that on my own.